Hello friends, in this video we are going to see the gate requirements for the subject fluid mechanics. Let us start with the subject fluid mechanics for gate mechanical engineering. So what are the gate requirements? As you can see from the heading, the most important is the latest syllabus for gate 2021. As you know that this time gate 2021 the gate exam is conducted by IIT Bombay. So I will request you everyone to follow the IIT website of IIT Bombay and then download the GATE syllabus 2021. Next is formula sheet 50. That means minimum 50 formula you should have. That is very important for solving GATE examination because most of the numericals of fluid mechanics are using formula for their solution. Third one is fluid mechanics nomenclature. This nomenclature sheet is very important because this will tell you about the important terms and symbols present in the subject fluid mechanics, and also unit will be mentioned in that sheet. So there's a nomenclature sheet for the fluid mechanics. And this last three is really very important as it is written in the red color. You can see the last 10 years of GATE question paper and solution. The solution here means you have to first understood the concept and then you have to make your own solution after understanding the GATE concepts. Why it is last 10 years? I want to tell you last 10 years because earlier we used to follow 15 years, because you know that from the 2014 onwards we are having sets of paper, mechanical set 1, set 2, set 3, like that. So even if you are solving last 10 years of question paper, that is sufficient for your practice. And a textbook for reference, any textbook you can follow for reference. For example, we are having R.K. Bansal, you know that the most common book for fluid mechanics, R.K. Bansal. Second one, if you can also go for the D.S. Kumar. And one very good book from the foreign author, that is a Sanjay Simbala. Okay, so these three books I recommend you. You can start with R.K. Bansal, that is sufficient. If you want to do more practice, then D.S. Kumar is there, and from the foreign author it is your Sanjay Simbala. Okay, these three books are really very good for the preparation of your fluid mechanics, particularly for GATE examination. And the last one, that's a very good notes of the subject. What is the meaning of this point? Actually, you should be having a very good notes. Very good notes here means the concepts must be clear from that notes. You can get that note from the engineering college or from your GATE instructor, or some students are having the habit of making their own notes. So try to make a concentrated, very good notes of each and every concept or topic mentioned in the GATE syllabus. And in the last, I want to tell you about the 4 important things for the preparation of GATE examination concepts. You can see here it is mentioned here concepts. Concepts are very, very important. So why it is 1, 2, 3, 4 things I mentioned here? According to me, each one is contributing 25% weightage. I mean, concept 25%, formula 25%, units 25%, and calculation. These all 4 things are very important. So first of all, you have to understand the concept. Then from the concept and derivation, you have to derive the formula. Formulas are very important. You have to remember the formula in order to save the time in the examination. Don't go for the derivation. And then units. Units are very important for engineering. And those students who are good in the units, definitely they will feel comfortable in the examination. And in the last, definitely we want an accurate and perfect calculation for the subject fluid mechanics. Thank you.